to get your check. How so? How'd you get the money on the trees to grow? Ever think that shade of green is suffocating, taking up all the oxygen? But what do I know? If everyone gave me a nickel to talk about dollars, then I'd have a problem. I fill in my pockets, wonder what could solve it. Maybe a tip jar. I put my t-shirt in my mouth to keep from saying things I shouldn't. Just stick my picture upside down, so I'm not found any different. We pay the man his plan his feet to free the speech when talk is cheap. We all will live to someday be one of these and has been.
Yo guys, and I've just finished this edit. I'm really happy how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was actually very cool to shoot that. It was for a client. I scrapped the interview though just because it was for a politician here in the Netherlands, and I didn't find it too interesting to show in the vlog. I'd like to keep it a little bit more fast-paced and action-based. I also have a really cool package that just came in, and we're gonna unbox that. So I'm going to bring you to that. But first, let's roll the intro. Let's go! Wait, the intro. After 2 minutes. Really? Yeah dude, why not? I can still roll the intro after 2 minutes. I know it's quite late, but doesn't really matter, does it? Alright. Roll the intro. But I want to do the unboxing. Wait, you really want to do that? Yes, really? Now, we're gonna roll the intro, and after that, I'm going to do the unboxing. Let's roll the intro.
It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life.
I have a package, and I don't need this. What I have? These. And these. Maybe I should just get it out of the box. These is DJI FPV combo. I actually already bought a controller for 300 euros, which I now do not need anymore. RIP those 300 euros. My sister always told me I had a big nose, but I guess that isn't true if you look at these goggles, because I have light leaks here. I would have had a big nose, Anna. Fuck you. But here it is, guys. The drone. And then I'm going to tell you everything about it. Like, no, you don't need to know that. You don't need to know that. And this drone goes like to 100 kilometers an hour in like 2 seconds, which is crazy. I'm excited to do this. That's why my dad never trusts me with stuff, because I break everything because I'm stupid. What the fuck is going on? Stop putting everything in plastic. I'm gonna throw it away instantly. It's like so stupid. And I always put these, like, you should eat those. Please do eat. It's very healthy for you. God damn it. So fucking ugly. I really do not know why they made that, to be fair. Stupid manuals. Companies should stop. They probably should do this by law, but I guess let's create a fucking website. I give you $100 if you do this. Let's create a website where all of these manuals are on, and then we could stop putting these in boxes and save the world. Not save the world, but save a lot of paper. These stupid boxes. Fucking cool. Another snack. Like, you have people who like challenge themselves not to create any waste. Like this small amount of waste. But how is that fucking possible if you buy something like this? Like, if you only wanted to buy a drone, you couldn't ever want to buy a drone because you're gonna hold this waste. Like, how do these people do that? They just stop buying stuff? Like, it's insane. The future is now. What's pretty amazing about this thing, it's like they really designed it especially for me, because there's exactly a hole put my my hair through it. Isn't that insane? Okay. Getting so many snacks. It's going to be like you're flying a helicopter. It's more of like a fighter jet sound, right? Stupid. It's more of like a chopper. That's also more. Damn! Let's just edit that sound in. Dope. Can't wait to use this. That was more of like a race car. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. More paper. Put these handles here that you can push to the side or back. And then the eyes inside of the goggles, they go either inside or outside because your eyes are maybe closer to the middle or further to the side. I can't do that, unfortunately. My brain sometimes. Alright guys, so let's use this baby because that's what I have it for. We're gonna check it out. We're probably going to the field somewhere where there's a lot of big open space where I do not crash, hopefully. And we're gonna try this baby out. Let's go! Alright guys, we're ready for our first flight. Space. Yeah, we're in space. Final frontier. We're going to space. Alright guys, so I was very stupid because I was going out to fly the drone with my dad and I actually have 3 battery packs there, but I only took 1, which was already half full because I was updating it. And yeah, so now we're back home. I'm going to fly again, but now with 2 friends of mine. So yeah, let's go. It's a dope van, boy.
We are here in the Zonse Heide in the Netherlands and you're now gonna see how Mika is flying the drone. Here it goes.
Netherlands.
We have here Mika in the wild. Mika in the wild, we see him. What's he gonna do? Holy shit.
Sick, huh?
Ja.
Dat is echt een fucking bioscoop gewoon.
Ja hè, dat had ik ook meteen. Ik zit echt in de bioscoop.
Ja,
ja hè?
Oh, sick, hè?
Ja, hè? Het is spannend. Je zegt hier wat in blenden.
Dat is close daar hè?
Ja, heel close, ja. Dit is vol gas omhoog. Holy shit.
Dude! Fucking sick!
Niet normaal.
So fucking sick! Zit die dingen er niet op zitten?
Denk niet? Denk klaar.
Is die spatwater dicht?
Denk het wel.
2000 euro. Ja, ik denk het wel.
Beetje water.
Zand in?
Wat? Holy shit, guys, that thing is insane. The speed that it has, it's insane. If you're standing right next to it, so crazy. It goes so freaking fast. Like, if you have the goggles on or you see it on the screen, you don't really notice it, but it goes fast as a motherfucker. So cool. I also created a quick little edit for a friend of mine who is a professional football player. I'm going to show that just for now. And I want to thank you all for watching already. So I'm going to roll that clip right now. Hope you enjoy it. I had a lot of fun creating it. See you in the next one.
Is Van Nispen.
Speelt in de os.
Make sure you mention me. Top billing on the top dog. History of my pedigree. Some say I'm a handball. Others say I'm a standout. Hands down, it was hard work. Never need a handout. No, I gotta shine hard, so I grind hard. Whoa. Overtime plus the time card.
Van Nispen.
Star, I'm gassed up.
Heeft er zin in.
I don't need no
Wil zich laten zien.
Time is money, is well spent. Use common sense. I'm
excellent, excellent, always excellent, excellent. I'm so excellent, mention my name, yeah. Always excellent, I never change, yeah. I'm so excellent.
Goosebumps on my skin, hair raising, pressure. I don't feel none of it. Masterpiece that you can't measure. Gotta treasure, gotta watch before my time ran by the clock. Hard racing, never stop. I'm a hard throb beating down the block.
Excellent, excellent, always excellent, excellent. I'm so excellent, mention my name, yeah. Always excellent, I never change, yeah. I'm so excellent, excellent, excellent. Always excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm so excellent, mention my name, yeah. Always excellent, I never change, yeah. I'm so excellent, excellent.
Thank you for watching my video all the way up till the end. I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like the video. If you're not done seeing my face, you could watch my latest video or check out the other video. I really want to thank you and I hope to see you